Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Google Drive account. And let's dive right in now. To log into your Google Drive account, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in drive.google.com like this, and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Google Drive like this. And now to log into your Drive accounts, you can see the directly go to drive option available over here. Click on go to drive, and after that you'll be required to enter your email address with which your drive is associated. For me, just go with this account, and let's enter the password. And there, guys, I have successfully logged into our Drive account or our Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.